welcome to Cafe de Lona's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my enchirito. It's a Mexican dish. These are all the ingredients that I prepared here. First, our shredded chicken. Next, our Mexican cheese, diced onion, diced jalapenos, chopped garlic, olive oil, a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of ground pepper, a tablespoon of paprika. Next, a can of washed black beans, and of course a cup of rice washed already. And next, our tortillas, our tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, and lastly our chicken stock. And let's do it. All right, so we're gonna start making our Mexican rice. So let's turn on our stove to medium heat. I'm gonna show you how I make my Mexican rice. So we're gonna start putting our olive oil. Next, our diced onion. Next is our garlic. Next is our diced jalapeno. The next ingredients we're gonna add is our rice. We're just gonna saute it in our diced onion, chopped garlic, and the jalapeno. The next thing we're gonna add is our diced tomatoes. Our diced tomatoes. The next ingredients we're gonna add is our paprika, the ground pepper, the chili powder, the cumin, and mix all together. I could smell it now, my goodness. And next, we're gonna add our chicken broth now. And then add a pinch of salt. I'm going to cover it now so it can get completely cooked for about like 10 minutes. All right, I'll let you know when it's ready. So I think we're gonna add more half a cup of chicken broth because it's still kind of like not cooked well. And then let's just mix it again. So after our rice is ready, we're gonna start making the next process. Like, we're gonna start making our sauce for our shredded chicken. Let me try it. It smells so good. It's so good. We're going to start making our sauce for our shredded chicken for our toppings as well. First, we're gonna turn on our stove to medium heat, then put our olive oil. So now we're gonna add a tablespoon of flour. Next, a small can of tomato sauce. Next is our powdered onion. Next, our powdered garlic. Some black pepper. Next, our a cup of chicken broth again. Next is our teaspoon of cumin. Next, a teaspoon of paprika. Next, a teaspoon of chili powder. So the last thing we're gonna add is salt to taste. So we're gonna try it first before we're going to add in our shredded chicken. Let's just add a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of chili powder. A little bit of cumin. And a little bit of paprika. Mix it again. Alright, it's getting thicker now. I'm gonna try it again just to make sure it's perfect taste. Oh, this is perfect. So good. So now I am going to turn off our stove to mix in our shredded chicken, but just make sure you guys have to save some for the toppings. We're gonna put some sauce in our shredded chicken. I think this could be enough. Okay. Next, we're just gonna mix it. All right. So our shredded chicken is ready. So now I'm going to prepare our rice that we made in the beginning. So now I have a cooking spray here. We are going to spray our baking dish so they won't get stick in the baking dish. I'll show you guys. Here you go. So the next step we're gonna do it is our putting all together our ingredients in this tortilla. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. First is our rice that we made. Next is our black beans. Next is our chicken. We don't have to make it like super big. Chicken enchiritos. This is good for lunch or dinner. Last is our Mexican cheese. Yep. Next is our chicken. So I fill it up in this one baking dish. So next thing we're gonna do is to put our toppings like the sauce and cheese. So here is my chicken enchirito. After long process, I'm going to pop in the oven about 20 minutes. And then our oven has been preheated on 375 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna start pop in the oven. And I'll let you know guys when it's ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.